The new Cuisinart Airfryer toaster oven provides you with a healthier, easy-to-use cooking method that produces great-tasting treats by using less fat. Air frying, which uses powerful ultra-hot air and 98% less oil than deep frying, is a healthier way to cook. Prepare your delicious fried favorites from wings and fritters to fries and shrimp using little or no fat in the cooking process. The Cuisinart Airfryer toaster oven is a premium full-size toaster oven with a built-in air fryer, which means it uses a combination of hot air, high blower velocity, and 4 upper heating elements to not only bake, toast, and broil, but also to air fry your favorite foods. Frying your favorite crispy foods with less fat, baking, broiling, and toasting. Now you can be guilt-free and enjoy the crunch without the calories with the new Cuisinart Air Fryer toaster oven.
What can you do with this tablespoon? With T-fal Actifry, you can create healthy and delicious meals for your family using just 1 tablespoon of oil. Actifry is perfect for preparing meat, seafood, stir-fry, vegetables, and many more dishes. You'll feel good knowing that you've used just 1 tablespoon of oil for the entire recipe, and that your family will enjoy every delicious bite. Actifry is really easy. I just put in my fresh ingredients and 1 tablespoon of oil. Set the timer, and a delicious and nutritious meal is ready in no time. And Actifry takes the mess of cooking and cleanup off my plate. It comes apart easily, and the pieces go straight into the dishwasher. I love my T-fal Actifry. It makes cooking great meals fast, convenient, and fun for the whole family. Find Actifry at your local retailer and visit us at tfalactifry.com for recipes, cooking tips, and more. T-fal, ideas you can't live without.
Hi, I'm Kat Reinhard. I head up the creative team here at Dash, and this is the Dash Chef Series Air Fryer Oven, our most versatile and advanced countertop oven. It's a convection oven, a toaster, an air fryer, a broiler, and it has a rotisserie. This is really the oven that does it all. The Chef Series Air Fryer Oven uses our trademarked Air Crisp technology with a high-powered convection fan for uncompromised flavor and crispy results every time. With full air fryer functionality, it's truly incredible how you can get delicious, crispy fried foods with hardly any oil. Air frying can reduce added fat content by up to 75% when compared to traditional deep frying. Anything I can make in my regular oven, I can make in my Dash Chef Series Air Fryer Oven, and I don't have to wait for it to preheat. It's especially handy around the holidays. When space is limited, I can use the Chef Series Air Fryer Oven to bake a delicious pie or side dishes and so much more. With the rotisserie function in this oven, I can guarantee fresh, juicy rotisserie chicken whenever I want. With 6 heating elements and dual thermostats, the Chef Series Air Fryer Oven is 10 times more accurate. Put simply, better heating means better and more consistent results. Here at Dash, helping you eat better is our #1 priority. That's why we work hard every day to create high-quality products and healthy recipes with a customer support team based right here in the USA. So start making crispy, fried food, fresh baked goods, homemade rotisserie chicken, and so much